Hello friends, this is the Cryptonian taking a look at Phantom FTM. Phantom has some spooky price action. So let's take a look. This is kind of similar to Near, and let's take a look and see what we can see here. Hold on, let me straighten out the chart real quick here first so we can see our fib levels. There we go. And then we'll get out my little marker. So taking a look at Phantom is currently at $2.99. Previous high up here at 348. You can see here up here 348 price point. That's where that yellow line is. The current high is, or the last high is 315. Currently $3. Fib levels to watch for if we pull back here, and we will. $2.74. That's a significant level, and then around that 274, if it's going to pull back into the cloud, then you're looking at the moving average here. 30-day moving average is looking like it is at $2.72, and then after that we have a fib level at $2.42. Okay, 200-day moving average is at $2.30. So you can see this is very, very bullish. All of this, the same as Near. All of this is the drive of this week, about 4 days, 3-4 days, and we're already up to. We did test $3.15, and we did get rejected, but I'm convinced that this is, whether it's in the days to come or whether it's in the weeks to come, this is going to make a run for $3.48, which is the previous high, previous all-time high. You can see that over here on the chart here. Excuse me, right up here at this yellow line that I had shown earlier. So this is one to watch, friends. This is one to watch. It has massive range. It has massive momentum right now. Be very careful. Be very careful though. If you're a trader, this one should be fun for you. If you're an investor, well, be very careful because it has some really, really monster swings as far as it's very volatile. Okay. So what we have here is most likely a pullback that will occur. Where that pullback will end, not sure where the pullback will, what price point, what fib level, not really sure. But looking at this, if the rally does continue, a great entry is probably going to be down here around, now this is a 4-hour chart, down here around the 271 area, unless it goes into a correction. Now if it changes direction, goes bearish, and has like here, it had a moving average crossover, and then it started the price crossed under the moving averages, and then it had a price depreciation. So be very careful, but I do believe this is one to watch. You're going to want to watch this one. It's very, very strong. It's been defying Bitcoin, and it recovered. It was probably one of the first ones recovered during the dump, this last dump. So it did dump hard, but then it recovered very hard. Okay, and so I do believe that this one will be testing the $3.48 all-time high sometime soon, like I said, whether it's in a few days or a few weeks. And then if it does break the all-time high at 348, where can it go? Well, just a basic off-the-cuff, very basic and look at where it can go is probably at the 1.61 or 1.41. 1.41 is $3.98, so roughly $4. to the 1.61, which is $4.40. And if the entire market's pumping, it can go much farther than that. So if Bitcoin regains its footing and regains its bullish trend, macro trend I'm talking about, and if the market also regains a bullish trend, then this could make it to $4, $4.40, $4.50, $4.60 very easily. And higher fib levels suggest that it could even get to let's see, okay, yeah, so $5 would be a very bullish price point. $5. So like I said, not anytime soon, but it's already at $3. And if you look at what it has done just in this last week as far as price appreciation, let's take a look here. Excuse me. So just in the last week, we have seen 43% bullish drive, right? So that's incredibly impressive. And if it does that within just 1 week, I mean, I can imagine if it breaks out, it's going to run into price discovery. It's going to hit, 450, 460 pretty easily. So again, it's one you want to watch. Be careful with your entries. It is volatile. And if, for some reason there are large players that decide to take profits, then it will come down pretty quickly. It has a tendency to come down pretty quickly, and it's very volatile. You can see that in the price history here, where we've got a lot of pumps and a lot of rallies and a lot of retreats. Okay, so there you have it, friends. That is FTM Phantom with spooky price action. Currently today up 2%. That's just today though. After a nearly 40%, or what did I say, 43%? Yeah, 43% rally this week. Keep your eye on it if you're interested in some explosive gains. Take care. But it is for experienced traders. If you're a novice, if you're new, this is one of those that you just buy and you hold it, right, for long term. Thank you, friends. Not financial advice. Take care. See you next time.